Hi, it's Todd Howard with Blake Real Estate, and today we're out in Parrish, Florida at a new home construction site through KB Homes called Sawgrass Lakes. What we're going to showcase today is their floor plan 1989, which is 1,989 square feet. The home is absolutely stunning. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. So let's go inside and have a look around. All right, that's going to do it today for this beautiful community out here in Sawgrass Lakes. If you would like to get additional information on this house or other possible builds within inside of this community, please reach out to me. Todd Howard, Blake Real Estate, 727-614-3296, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.